How to match a whole word with a regular expression? I'm having trouble finding the correct regular expression for the scenario below. Let's say, I want to match whole word. For example, match high should return false since high is not a word, and is should return true since there is no alpha character on the left and on the right side.
Try. From the docs. \b matches the empty string, but only at the beginning or end of a word. Note that the re module uses a naive definition of word as a sequence of alphanumeric or underscore characters, where alphanumeric depends on locale or Unicode options. Also note that without the raw string prefix, \b is seen as backspace instead of regex word boundary.
Try using a word boundary character class in the regex module, re. From the documentation of re.search. \b matches the empty string, but only at the beginning or end of a word. For example, our apostrophe \foo\b matches foo, foo. Bar foo baz, but not foo bar or foo 3.
I think that the behavior desired by the op was not completely achieved using the answers given. Specifically, the desired output of a Boolean was not accomplished. The answers given do help illustrate the concept, and I think they are excellent. Perhaps I can illustrate what I mean by stating that I think that the op used the examples used because of the following. The string given was a equals this is a sample. The op then stated I want to match whole word, for example match high should return false since high is not a word. As I understand, the reference is to the search token, high as it is found in the word, this. If someone were to search the string, A for the word high, they should receive false as the response. The op continues. And is should return true since there is no alpha character on the left and on the right side. In this case, the reference is to the search token is as it is found in the word is. I hope this helps clarify things as to why we use word boundaries. The other answers have the behavior of don't return a word unless that word is found by itself, not inside of other words. The word boundary shorthand character class does this job nicely. Only the word is has been used in examples up to this point. I think that these answers are correct, but I think that there is more of the question's fundamental meaning that needs to be addressed. The behavior of other search strings should be noted to understand the concept. In other words, we need to generalize the excellent answer by @Georg using re.matcher \bis\b, your underscore string. The same /bis/b concept is also used in the answer by Om Prakash, who started the generalizing discussion by showing. Let's say the method which should exhibit the behavior I've discussed is named. The following behavior should then be expected. Once again, this is how I understand the ops question. We have a step towards that behavior with the answer from @Georg, but it's a little hard to interpret/implement. To wit, There is no output from the second command. The useful answer from Atom Prakash shows output, but not true or false. Here's a more complete sampling of the behavior to be expected. This can be accomplished by the following code. A simple demonstration follows. Run the Python interpreter from the same directory where you saved the file, find _only_whole_word.py.
The trouble with regex is that if the string you want to search for in another string has regex characters, it gets complicated. Any string with brackets will fail. This code will find the word. The first part of the conditional searches for the text with a space on each side, and the second part catches the end of string situation. Note that the end with is Boolean, whereas the find returns an integer.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.